everybody, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I am going to be doing bird ephemera tickets, and these came out so cute. I was just playing around with my watercolor marks the other day, and I decided to do some tickets just because I love making them, and they're these cute little embellishments that you can add into your junk journals or do whatever you want with them. You can maybe write a cute little note in the back and then give it to a family member or a friend. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So I'm so excited. So here you can see the watercolor marks that I did. So this is the second day of my paper craft with me challenge, I guess 15-day challenge. So I'm excited. So I hope I can complete this. I think I will, just because I'm trying to stay ahead of my filming schedule. So we're going to get started. Okay, so what we're gonna need is some cardstock paper, and I kind of already measured out my strips, but we're gonna be cutting them to strips, and I don't know the exact measurements yet. I'll probably put the instructions down below, but lengthwise, I kind of eyed it. I thought that this was gonna be a good width for my tickets. So this is, you know, let me see how many centimeters. So yeah, this was a good width, almost a little over 3 centimeters is the width of the tickets. And then I'm going to do like 2.5 inches every ticket lengthwise, or they can be width depending on how you're going to be doing your tickets, if they're going to be vertical or horizontal. So I'm just going to be cutting these down. Again, I already marked it, and I marked them at 2.5 inches lengthwise. So that's going to be my size. So I'm just going to cut these down, and then we are going, and you can use whatever cardstock you want to use. I'm using plain white cardstock because I'm going to kind of use my calligraphy stamp that I used for my watercolor marks in my last video. And I'm going to be using my distress ink just to kind of give a bit of color. But I want to try a different style than what I did last time when I was trying out this project. This project's super fun, and it's a good way to, again, use up whatever supplies or items you have around your desk. So I'll probably just do these for now. And if I want to do more, I'll do that. Let me get my paper towel so I don't want to dirty my desk. So I'm just going to get this, and I don't know what color I want to use. Maybe I'll do, because I don't know how dark it's going to be. But first I'm going to get my vintage photo distress ink and just kind of go over. I should have done it before cutting them down, but oh well. I'm just going to do that. Actually, I'm going to see if I have a lighter color. Just finish this up. I have a bunch of the distress inks, and I love them. Or you can always use watercolor if you want to paint them a different way. Like, you can use watercolor or whatever you want. I'm going to get this antique linen because it's very light. So I'm going to try that, because let me change up. I'm going to just change this up. This is getting like dirty and all messed up already. So I'm getting a new one, and just put these aside. Okay. Hopefully this one's okay. All right, I like that color a bit more. And you can get whatever supplies you want for this project. You can get paper scraps, you can get gems. I'll probably use some gems for some of them. And I want to try to do realistic looking tickets. I'll probably do that in a separate video, like tickets that you can use in like a journal spread, because these you can't really use in a journal spread. Like, it's more for, I mean, if you want to, you can do whatever you want. It's your craft, your project, you do whatever you want. Okay, but for me, I'm not going to use those in a journal spread because that's more of like an embellishment to me. So okay, so we're already done coloring these tickets. So we're gonna get our hair trimming scissors, and I've used this on my videos before to kind of make my stamps. So we're going to give it that ticket look. So we're just going to cut the ends like that. See? Now they're looking more like tickets. I'm just going to do that to all of them. And then we're going to get our hole puncher and cut. That was uneven. We're going to get our hole puncher and punch a hole on this side to give it more of a tickety look. You can leave it like this, you can do it however. This is just how I'm doing it, and I really liked the way that they came out. Cut this piece again. What's the best way to cut? Because like there has to be a trick to like cutting in a straight line. So how's everybody doing today? I just came back from my training. I'm getting trained to work at a pharmacy. So it's really exciting. Okay, so we have our tickets, and now we're gonna be getting our hole puncher, and we're just going to hole punch this. You're not gonna go all the way in, you're just going to do halfway. I'm trying to get in the middle, halfway like that, if you guys can see. And then just hole punch so it does this semicircle. See? Now it looks like a ticket. What I want to try to do is get my distress ink, or should I do it with, I don't know if I should do it with my ink or my watercolors, but to kind of color around the edges. So I don't know. I think it might be best with a watercolor. So yeah, if there's any other crafts you guys would like to see me make, then comment them down below, because I would love to hear your suggestions or ideas. So I'm going to see about getting my watercolors. So okay, so I have my watercolors, and I'm afraid to mess this up. So for one of them, I'm gonna do red, because for some reason I like red tickets. So let me get the dirty lid. It's not dirty. Mix in with a bit of orange. Okay, and let's see how this works. Hopefully it looks nice. Okay, so tickets kind of, I'm just gonna go around. Doesn't have to be perfect. I like that messy look. I love messy art. Oop, that was too much. Oops. Yeah, this is different from what I did when I was trying out the project, the tickets. I didn't do this, but I'm trying it now. I always tell my boyfriend I'm like Michael's, or I'm like Office Max, like whatever he needs, I always have it. Actually, that looks nice. Oh, I love this red. No, that looks so pretty. I love that. And maybe I can do like, no, I don't want to get too creative. Right? I'm gonna do another one in that color, so, because that was pretty. And maybe do it, oops, wrong red. Yeah, I'm not gonna get the same color because I forgot. Let me see. Oh, I can't get the right red. And if you don't, this is a good idea. If you don't have any distress ink to kind of ink the edges, you can always do it with watercolor, because look, that's a good way to do it actually. So there you go. I want to do a blue ticket, and then when I'm putting together all the elements, then I'll choose colors that kind of go with this whatever I'm painting. Yeah, that's pretty. So I don't know if I should do another one. Okay, I'm just gonna do those 3, and then the others I'll probably just use my Distress ink. Or maybe I can try with this. So let me see. Oh, that's a pretty orange. I really like that. And it's, you don't always have to do just the edge. Like if you kind of do it this way, it kind of blends more into the middle. Oh, that's pretty. I love it. I love this. Okay, that's pretty. I like it better than the watercolors. I really liked these four. Those are very pretty. I love this color. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of do it in a kind of like all together. I'm not gonna do them one by one probably because I wouldn't want to take too long. So I'm just gonna put these other two tickets. I'm gonna just do the four now, and I'm just gonna be getting some stuff, just kind of layer stuff on top. I have some of my, where are they? I have some little tickets here, or not tickets, but little number labels. I don't know if I should put those on my Etsy shop. Okay, so I'm gonna get some of this. Oh, and I also have, I'm gonna probably do this to some of them. I have a stamp here, probably put them on the tickets that I'm gonna do vertically. Okay. Okay. So maybe I'll do this one vertically. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. Very pretty. Nice. So I'm gonna get some of this paper and just, oops, I cut too much. Maybe I'll add it to this one. I have this little thing here that probably look cute. I'll save that for after, like as a decorating kind of thing. A little decoration. Sorry about the dogs and airplanes in the background, guys. So all I'm doing is just getting a few pieces and just adding them wherever. You know, you don't have to think too much about it. Especially if you're just trying to get rid of stuff. Okay, just like that. Okay, and we have our watercolor marks, which was the main thing of the show. There's some butterflies, you can always use that. I'm gonna get this. And just some of my colors. I don't know which ones I want to use. Ooh, all falling out. Okay, so I got just a few here. I'll just get some that kind of go with the colors we have. So I have some here. I'll use, and this one because it has a bit of everything, every color. Okay, so I need some oranges. Let me get my ruler, and maybe for that one, this would be pretty. Trim it down a bit so it actually fits. And then I'm gonna save this piece and just put little tiny circles on it, little watercolor marks to use them up. Yeah, that's better. All right, I found a piece here. Which color should I do? Okay, got a piece here. Okay, I'm looking for blue. I don't want, again, any writing on it because this one's so messy, it doesn't even look like there's writing, so. Maybe I'll do this one. Depends. I don't know. Maybe I'll do this one vertical. And I'm going to add the stamp onto this one since I'm doing vertical. Pretty pretty. Just like that. And I have some this here, which I have a roll of. My mom was getting rid of it. I was like, oh my god, I can use that for my projects. So I'm just gonna, it was just some mesh she had for a table. But these have been amazing for the projects I've been doing. So I don't know where I want to use this one. Maybe, I don't know, maybe here. That's pretty. Some of this one. Yeah, that's good. That looks quite good. All right, so now we got all of our little elements. We still need our birds now. Okay, so I'm getting my little bird digital prints. These are available on my Etsy shop if you guys want to go check it out for this project, or you can just do whatever. You can add butterflies, but I'm going to be picking out some birds that would look cute on here. My ink was running out at this point, but I'm just gonna pick some birds, and I'm probably gonna go for these smaller ones. Like, I think this one's a good color for one of them. I'm just gonna be cutting these out. This one looks really pretty too. And then, I'm looking for a little blue one. I had a blue one here on my desk before starting because I was doing these tickets, and now I can't find them because my desk is just such a mess right now. Oh, I have this that I added to one of my tickets. All right, so I'm just gonna be cutting these down. Hopefully these are a good size. I think they are, because since there's a lot going on the tickets, I want the bird to kind of be small, so to not like, you know, be in the way of all the other elements. All right, so I just finished cutting up some of my birds, so I'm just gonna leave them here, and I'm just going to add them and see what I think. Ooh, I like those colors together. They go so well. I might just add this one here. That one's pretty there. I like that. Okay, so I have this little guy here. I think he would probably go well. Oops. Somewhere there. And then I have this guy, but maybe this is too blue. That's just too blue. So maybe something else. No. I'm thinking of this little guy because it's a different color. Kind of pops out more, right? Don't you think? Or no, I don't know. Let me cut this down like I said I was. Okay, so I'm just gonna start adding things because it's like kind of difficult. So I'm just gonna start adding all these little elements. This one was very pretty. I loved this one. Okay, how should I do this one? Oh, you know what? I should have gone my hot glue gun, but I don't feel like getting it now. Maybe I'll just use my liquid glue. I hope that's just enough, because I don't really feel like plugging it in right now. I'm waiting. Hopefully this is enough. Sure to be fine, especially if I put the other piece on top. Should I do pink on that one, or will it be too much? I'm not sure now. Okay, now let's stick this one on, because this one's so pretty. I just want to add it there. Okay, just like that. Oh, this one's gorgeous. This one's my favorite one. That is so pretty. Okay, now we'll do this one. Maybe we'll just pop it on like that. I'm gonna add, I want some color. Actually, let me see if this would work, because it has kind of the same. Let me rip it off more so it kind of fits there. You can still see the little, the gold in the back. Okay, I think I like that better. Just gonna pop that right on. Okay, that's a lot better. I like that way more now. And the last one. So yeah, this is a super fun and easy project to do. I loved it. So like I was saying, or like I said before, if there's any paper craft projects you would like to see, let me know. I need something else. Oh, I have this little piece that I was wanting to use. So, oh, that's pretty. Oh, I love that. I'll probably leave it to the side, like, yeah, I like that. Oh, that's so pretty. I love that. That's so cute. I don't know if I should do one more. Should we? Let's just do it. Okay, I'm just gonna grab this one. And I really like these as vertical tickets. The vertical tickets are really nice. So I'm just gonna get my stamp. Okay, so which bird should we do for this one? Actually, let me see. What colors should we use? Just going to grab this like that. And what birdie should we use? I think this one would look cute, no? Okay, let me see if I can use this. The ticket kind of, the little number label kind of ripped. Maybe I can just put it in the back. I kind of like the little number there, but I feel like I need more. What else should I use, you guys? Maybe I'll get a bit of this, maybe, I don't know. I kind of like it. I'm just gonna put it. If I start thinking too much about it, then I'll be here all day. Yeah, because I wanted to use this number. I didn't want to waste it because I really like the brown. I think the brown went well with these colors. So I just wanted to use them. Yeah, get more liquid glue because I'm running out. Like that or like this. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. And where should I put you, little birdie? Yeah, it's fine. Oh, that's so pretty. I love that. Oh, these are gorgeous. I love those dark colored tickets. Okay, you guys, so I am done with my project. I absolutely love the way that they came out, and I'm obsessed with these. I love the way that these came out, and these are probably my top 3 favorite from the ones that I made today. These are so gorgeous. They're so cute. Like, I love the way that they came out. I love the birds. I love all the different elements to it. The watercolor marks that I made the other day and in my last video. These are so pretty. Let me know which one was your guys' favorite. I love these. I'm gonna be making more. I have other tickets left and strips of paper that I have to use up anyways. So, and again, if there's any craft projects that you would love to see me make, then I would love to do them. Just leave them down in the comment below. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this craft with me project, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.